Here's how to make a Game Pass in Please Donate in Roblox and set it up on your stand. First, open roblox.com on your browser. Click the Create button at the top. Scroll down till you find Experiences. Click on Experiences. Under here, choose your experience and click on it. Let's scroll down to Monetization. Here, go to Passes. In Passes, now you can create a pass by clicking on this button. You can upload an image, choose a name, a description, and then create a pass. After that, click on your pass and go to the sales. Here, you can put the item for sale and set the price, maybe 100 Robux. And then you can press Save Changes. Proceed. Now, launch Please Donate on Roblox. Claim a stand by pressing E in front of an empty one. Your Game Pass will automatically show up on your stand. People can now donate to you by purchasing it. And that's how you make a Game Pass and set up on your stand and Please Donate in Roblox. Simple, fast, and ready to own Robux. Thank you so much for watching.